Welcome, today in front of me Honor 9A, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So we got two ways. I'll show you both, and the first one, you should go to the settings and now just tap here on the home screen and wallpaper. Here tap on the wallpaper section and select one from these wallpapers. You can go here to your gallery if you got some photos on your device, download it from the internet, or just you're taking previously photos, or also we got here our default wallpapers. And for example, we can go with this one, and just tap there, tap here to apply, and we want to change the lock screen. Just tap here, we got here the message that we are setting our wallpaper, and now we'll just check that. As can you see, we just has changed successfully our lock screen wallpaper. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just slide with your two fingers to the center at the same time, and you'll see here on the left down corner the wallpaper icon. Just tap there, and by the same way you can, for example, change your lock screen wallpaper by the same way. Tap here to lock screen and wait a couple of seconds, and now we'll check again. As can you see, that's really simple. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.